Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad. Over the next couple of days, weather won't be that big of an issue, but by this upcoming weekend, we're going to be seeing some fairly interesting weather, especially those of you in the Great Lakes, Southeast, and the West Coast. Let's first take a look at Friday's temperatures, and the southern half of the country, not too bad. Normal high temperatures should be in the yellow spectrum right there, and in the Ohio Valley, normals right now are in the low to mid 40s, but it looks like it's going to be a little bit below normal for points to the north. To the south, well, looks pretty nice right now. This is on Friday. Come Saturday, that changes. A lot colder air filters into the Midwest and even down into the southeast, with the exception of the southern portions of Florida, but that's all going to change too as we head on into Sunday. Take a look. Those very warm temperatures down in the Sunshine State of Florida goes away. It's going to be a rather stormy weekend, it looks like, for the southeast, and temperatures across most of the country will be somewhat normal or below normal. Precipitation-wise, this is on Friday. There's that snow in the Great Lakes and in Iowa and Wisconsin, Minnesota. Those of you in the Ohio Valley, I think you're going to be on the warmer side of that storm. So most of your precipitation on Friday and into Saturday will be rain, but behind it, there's going to be some colder air. Down in the south, take a look around Houston. The very strong thunderstorms associated with that low pressure system there at LUC in Illinois. Now, by Saturday, that thing really gets cranked up. So most of Saturday across the southeast will be very stormy. Colder air filters into the Midwest, the Ohio Valley. You'll be seeing some snow, not a lot. I think we'll be seeing some lake effect snows up right around the Chicago, northern Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York areas. But for the snow for the Ohio Valley, I don't expect much in the way of heavy precipitation. But the West Coast gets slammed with another system. By Sunday, that energy moves into the Rockies. Florida clears out, but it's going to be cold, and we'll still see some snow around the Great Lakes. What about next week? Well, the National Weather Service 6 to 10 day outlook shows most of the country near normal or below normal, with the exception of the New Mexico, Texas, in Rocky Mountain region. But precipitation-wise, woohoo, look out. Very wet conditions there for the west. Southeast, extreme southeast for the state of Florida. You're having a very unusual winter so far with quite a bit of precipitation, and it looks like it's going to be a little bit wet also for the Ohio Valley. So winter's not done yet. We're going to have an up and down type of next several days. So brace yourself for some cold air, some snow, and some thunderstorms. I'm George, the Weather Dad.